Hi guys, I'm going to show you how we can download our Desmos calculator for the next topic because we are going to have the eligibility to use a calculator on the next topic. So first off, if you do not have this app already, you do need to go onto your manager's app and type in Desmos. So this is the calculator we will be using. And you do need to click on the second app right here where it is green and click on reinstall/update. Once you have this installed, you can open it up and there is a nice little graphing calculator for you. Whenever you are working on assignments that are probably consisting our practices or practice problems, always split screen with Schoology or Notability wherever your practices are so that you can use your calculator on the side. I'm going to show you some important buttons for you to know and to use for the next topic. So you do have all of the 4 functions on the bottom with the keypad of numbers. Remember that the decimal point is that period right next to the 0. And make sure you know that when you are putting a fraction in, you have to use the division symbol. So for example, if you are putting 1/2, you have to do 1 divided by 2, and it gives you a nice little fraction right there. Always remember to move your cursor to the right by clicking on the window right there, or you can use the arrows button, which is right underneath the functions button. And then you do have a backspace button for you to clear some things up, or you can use the little X at the top right corner of the first row. Now, let's say we were to square a number. So for example, if I wanted to do 10 squared, you can use 10 and use that A squared button that's right next to the Y. And that would give you 100 because it's 10 times 10. Let's say I wanted to do 10 to the 3rd power. That button would be A to the B button. You see how it shifted to the exponent bar? Now we can type in the 3, which says 10 to the 3rd power, giving you 1,000. And then remember, guys, that you can always use parentheses when necessary. So if I were to say 1 plus 0.25, you can do that. And then if you wanted to put the decimal point or the exponent on the top right there, we can say 1 plus 0.25 to the 5th power. So all of these keys and buttons are necessary. Let's say you wanted to convert the answer into a fraction. So you can always change that by clicking on the answer box, and it will, not the answer box, actually the little circle on the left in blue. If you click on that and toggle that, it will convert your decimals into fractions and vice versa. So on the top as well. However, remember that all of your teachers will be accepting both types of answers. A lot of students tend to work with decimals, so that is just fine. All right, so I think this is it for what you will need to know for your calculators in the next upcoming topic. Let your teacher know if you have any questions regarding using the Desmos calculator. Make sure that you are using it because it will have great benefit and help for your next practice submissions.